Okay, here's a few nice pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know which field. In actual fact, I think you'll find it's probably a bit mixed up different places. These are offcuts and from a cutter, rules and millimetres. Material's wetted. The white that you're seeing there's the light reflecting off the water. Just going a little bit closer. Just gone in a little bit closer so you get a better look at each piece. Basically faces, most of them. A couple of the pieces might have a seam in them as well, but generally they're just faces ready to shape up and make into stones. This is an interesting piece. Stripes of colour. Lucky last. Piece of matrix. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.